So if you don't know what a procurement agent is, it's somebody who procures things for you. A sourcing agent is another way of thinking of a procurement agent. Would I use one? For me, no. However, for you, maybe. So here's the thing with procurement agents. China does business much differently to Australia. And you should expect, if you use an agent, that agent will get a kickback. Could be up to 4% depending on the product. Don't try and buck that system, because that system is the Chinese way. And if you try and buck it, you'll just be an asshole who's coming into their country telling them how to do business. You wouldn't like it if somebody did that here in Australia. They don't like it if you try and do it over in China. So let the system that they have in place do its work, and just recognize that they do business. I need more tea. Business differently to what we do here in Australia. And as a result of that, you should expect to be flexible in your behavior. So consider that. You're definitely going to be paying fees to do that. And on the plus side, they'll do some of the work for you. So I guess, swings and roundabouts. And if you are looking for an agent, there's some in the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs members area in our file section on Facebook. There's a whole list of people in there you can use. And I would also say as well, if you're bundling, very, very important. Do not, under any circumstances, let one factory or one procurement agent do all of the disparate parts of your bundle. So if you've got 3 parts to your bundle, for instance, use 3 different factories, 3 different procurement agents. Don't use one. It's a terrible idea, because you will find your bundle instantly replicated on Amazon. Now that's something to do with a part of Chinese culture called Guanxi, where they're all looking to scratch each other's backs. And again, that's just part and parcel of the Chinese culture. You have to just accept that that's what it is. But they share information like that throughout what they're doing. So if all of a sudden you start making sales, you will find your product replicated on Amazon, no doubt about it. So instead, what you do, 3 different factories, bring in those disparate parts to your bundle to one centralized location. For me, and for a lot of the other Aussie online entrepreneurs as well, we use China Division. You can just Google those guys, China Division. And as a result of that, you then use China Division to build your bundle for you. They will then ship it to wherever you want it shipped to. And that's safe for you to do that. You can trust China Division. Loads of people do, and they've never let anybody down. So Sandy, some good tips in there for you. Good luck with your bundle. That's a great way to get started. I love bundles on Amazon. It's one of the simplest ways to differentiate your products on Amazon. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.